leave it. There, Charlie. Going in too well. Pretty hard around here. Oh, rats.
That's all right. I do that all the time. Usually I have my thumb in the way.
Oh, can't do it. Can't get down that far. Now I'm going to have to go get the tongs.
Yeah, looks like a good plan.